Hi guys, just a quick little video to introduce our new speed sensor at Instrowest. We've made this speed sensor for both weightometers and for underspeeds. The reason we've gone and made our own is we're finding some of the third-party ones we were using were failing in certain areas. Probably not quite up to the abuse they cop on a mine site. So what we've done, you can see it's pretty heavy. We've got rid of the pivot point here, we've got rid of the bush. And instead of a normal bush, we've actually got bearings in there. Pressed in bearings, it's robust as hell. We're not going to see that pivot point flog out on the process. One of the other things we've done, we've gone for a bigger wheel, a heavier wheel, and this is going to allow it to sit on the belt better. It's going to stay down more, it's not going to bounce as much. Just drop that. Another thing you'll notice is we're now greasable. So we've got a greasable bearing assembly in here, which allows us to grease this bearing as we need to. What we're finding on previous ones, we were getting water ingress into the bearing and the bearings were failing because they were sealed bearings and not greasable. The idea with these is you'll grease them now as you would a motor in the plane, and that's going to give it its longevity that you require. Last thing, this is where we mount our proximity. You'll notice there's no proximity mounted to this one at the moment. The reason we don't have a proximity mounted is we don't know what the client's going to require. That client's going to require either MPN, PMP or Namur. So by designing this in this arrangement, it allows us to put the proximity in that the client needs. So if your underspeeds on site are PMP, then we can put PMP proxies in there and this can be used as an underspeed. If your conveyor speed sensor is MPN or Namur, then again we select the proximity that you require for the input of your device. So that makes this speed sensor very universal. We can use it for conveyor speed monitoring, weightometer speed, underspeeds, anywhere we need conveyor speed measurement essentially. Anyway, if you want to know more, give us a call on 9500 9120 or jump on our website www.instrowest.com.au.